Hi everyone, welcome to Dictionary. In this lecture we are going to see how you can define a dictionary in a Python and how you can access the items, change the items and perform other operations with the Python dictionary. Dictionary is also a set of collections of the data. This stores values in a key value pair where you define a key and against a key then you define a value. A dictionary is also defined with the curly braces. The difference is here it is defined with like this, the key and value pair. So this one is a dictionary here. I'm gonna just say something like this. A is defined, variable A is now defined as dictionary. The key of dictionary is here a key and the value of dictionary, a value of dictionary with the key is key there. The value there. You can also make something else which will be a little more a little more logical. This is a little confusing. So there I have here 1 and then I have here 2, something like this, and then here I have here a 3. So now do you see there A is a variable which the type of variable is dictionary here, which is dict variable. Alright, that's the type of this variable. A is dict, which is dictionary. Alright, perfect. Dictionaries are ordered list here. Dictionaries are ordered data type. Before Python 3.7 it was not ordered, it was unordered, but with the Python 3.7 and after Python 3.7 dictionary has become as a ordered data type in a Python. That's mean once you define order, you can access these items in a similar order. Alright, but you cannot access these ordered dictionary with the index there. You can access these dictionary with the keys of the dictionary. Suppose that if you define here 1, alright, so there you have a 1. It's like this. Here you have a 1. So with the help of this 1 you got the value of this key where it is 1. If you define a 2 you will get the value 2. If you define here a 3 you will get the value 3. And also one more thing, dictionary also does not allow here a duplicates. For example, if I just copy that and paste it here, and if I try to define here once again something like this, you will see there a key, this 1 is stored only once. So the keys of the dictionary is always unique like we used to see in a set. Alright, you can also change the values of a key, values of a dictionary for a particular key. Suppose that you want to change a value of this key, you can simply do like this, a equal to 1, and then you can put something like this. Let's say if you want to assign a float value there. So this 1 has become now a float value. Alright, the value of this 1 key has become here a float value. Let's go ahead and see how you can access the keys of the dictionary. So you can simply do here a dot keys. You will get all the keys in the dictionary. Alright. Similarly, you can also get the values of dictionary like here a dot values. You get all the list of the values. Now you can compare these two lists together, like 1 is corresponding to 1.0, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, something like that. Let's say if you want to remove some values from the list, then how would you remove? Alright, so there are many methods to remove that values. Let's say this a dictionary, you want to remove this particular key, you can simply do like pop and then 1. Alright, so 1 is removed. Now if you check here your dictionary A, you don't have a 1 key there. Alright, so the key 1 is not there, only 2 items left there. And if you again try to remove the key which is not inside a dictionary, and if you try to remove those key, you will get the error. And if you want to avoid those type of the error, you can simply provide here a default parameter which is none there. Alright. So whenever a key is not present, it will not return anything. So in fact, you can provide here any parameter. When a key is not present, it will return here some default value, like here. Any value you can put here. Alright. Sorry, something like this, key not present. Alright, perfect. There is another way to remove. Last added item will be removed from the dictionary if you type there a dot pop item. Alright, so it will remove the last added item. Since nowadays dictionary is ordered data type, so it will remove the data which is present at the last index in the dictionary. So that is removed. Now you check there dictionary A. Now it has become there only one item. You can also update your dictionary something like this, a dot update. Then you can add here a new key. All right, something like this, a new value. Now if you check your A, you will see there and this key is added into your dictionary there. All right. You can also copy your dictionary as well. If you do like here b equal to a dot copy, so this a is copied into b variable and the length of b variable is 2 there. All right, now you see there a and b are equal, and if you check there a equal to b, you will get there it is a true because these two dictionaries are equal. You can also create there a nested dictionary, something like, let's say if you want to create here a dictionary a dot update, inside that I want to put here a dictionary b. Now you check there, this was the original dictionary and there this was the dictionary b. I added this dictionary inside the dictionary. This is known as the nested dictionary. Alright, so this is all about in this lecture. Thanks a lot for watching this. I'll see you next one.